All right, guys, welcome back. Yep, like you saw, we're locked and loaded and ready to go. We're going some dirt biking because if you guys saw, the ramps are backed up. They close at 9:30, some of them, and some of them close at 10 o'clock, and the lines are super long, so I'm not gonna deal with that. So we decided to go up to my dad's house for some social distancing and some dirt bike riding. Let's go with the show on the road.
Alright guys, and we're on the road again, and yep, we're heading north on I-75 to hit up Lake Okeechobee. And yep, my dad's really enjoying this because normally I don't see him as often, maybe once or twice a month, due to the fact I'm always busy here in Miami working and dealing with the kids' after school activities. If you guys saw the other videos of us coming up here to my dad's house, you guys noticed there was a lot of people on the side of the road fishing, and we noticed this time there was even more people. So I guess it's becoming a popular spot, or the fishing is good, or people are just bored being home and they can't really fish at the beach, so might as well find another way to entertain themselves. I think as long as you protect yourself and practice social distancing, it shouldn't be a problem. I guess we're all adjusting to the new way of life, and hopefully it doesn't last forever. Now check this out. Imagine this, our family vehicle. The only question is, how is Ogita and the kids are gonna get up? I guess you will have to use a roll down ladder or the tires, but then your hands will be dirty all the time. After an hour and 30 minutes, we finally reached our destinations. And I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. Do you know why my dad loves this town? Because there's barely any traffic. You might get 1 or 2 cars a day on this road, and he loves that because he was living in Miami over 40 years and had to deal with traffic every day. And he also loves the country life and space. And we're starting to like it too, because we get to enjoy the bikes and enjoy all the trails they have here and don't have to worry about the traffic. But I'm gonna tell you something though, I still love the water. The only problem right now is it's really hard to get in the water. Today we're visiting a different trail. You guys notice that canal to the right there? That canal is the one that crosses from Lake Okeechobee all the way west to Fort Myers, that maybe in the future we'll come visit, but on the boat. The distance is about 85 miles. That's gonna be a fun trip. Actually, it's gonna be the longest trip we ever done. And if anybody watching has done the trip before, let me know how long did it take. now I'm heading out myself because I'm doing some exploration for some future plans that hopefully in the future I could accomplish them.
All right, guys, so I'm here checking out the boat ramp at my dad's house at Lake Okeechobee because I want to see if the ramp could handle my boat like that. I've been wanting to do the crossover from Lake Okeechobee to Fort Myers. So since the Miami ramps are so crazy lately, like you guys saw already, I want to go ahead and trailer my boat down here to my dad's neighborhood to Lake Okeechobee and maybe cross over to Fort Myers, spend a weekend at Fort Myers and come over back. But my little concern is I'm not really sure how deep the ramp is because I need at least 6 to 7 feet deep of water, and the ramps here are pretty short and shallow, so that's the only thing I'm afraid of. Might give me a hard time loading the trailer up. I wish there was a way I could check here how deep it is. I don't have no stick or anything, but hopefully it is. Hopefully it's deep enough that I could put my boat here, and it's gonna be interesting. I always wanted to do that, you know, cross over to Fort Myers to the west side, so that'll be pretty cool. Maybe if everything turns out right, I'm gonna go ahead and do that next weekend, because this weekend all I did was went fishing with my friend Doobie, and I couldn't do anything else. I couldn't take out my boat because the ramps were crazy. They actually closed at 9:30 and 10 o'clock. So, and there was, my friend was there. She had to wait 5 hours, and at the last minute she got locked out, so she couldn't go. So I'm not gonna go through that. So we're looking for alternatives, and this is gonna be one that I always wanted to do anyway, so should be fun. We'll see what happens. So I'm taking a little cruise with the bike around my dad's hood, like you guys saw already, while the kids went to feed the cows with my dad. So I went to take a little cruise at the ramp here. And we got the red stallion right there. The more I ride it, the more I like it. So it's pretty fun. I'm really enjoying it. All right, let's check out, see what's happening. We just got back from the trail. ¿Y no van a hacer los pescados?
Mira para tu nariz.
No van a hacer los pescados.
Una paella.
Oh, maella y los pescados. All right, so what you making?
No, not me.
You're not making it?
Él. I'm just helping.
Oh, my dad's doing it. Oh, what is that in there?
It's a paella.
A paella? What
Yep.
about for me? ¿Y para él?
Paella para él.
Oh no. It smells fishy and crabby. It smells fishy and crabby. He done killed Mr. Krabs and put him in the thing. So we're back at it again. Back at it again. Well, we got the whole Fresco family up in the crib and Sandbar Live. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out. Whoop, whoop.
Okay.
The new merch coming out. Whoop. Oh, look at Gabby. She even got some too. Woo. Always got to represent it. I like it. I like it.
No, esto no es seco.
A Tata le gusta todo seco, muerto y duro.
One of those. Is it good? Is it good?
How much you make? Así, Mimi.
Yeah, that's all.
¿Es mucho o así?
That's a lot.
¿Vas a hablar?
Yo no voy a comer.
Get it raw.
Una muela para cada uno, pero no es tanta muela.
Yo quiero pollo nomás, yo no quiero pescado. Yo pick up that spider.
Where's the spider?
There's a spider. What you eating, boy? Hold on. I can't. You like them claws too, girl?
That's just a stink.
Really? Let's see that claw.
We have a surprise for you.
You eating claws too? Oh, guys.
Yeah, lo caro no para.
So you guys are groupers?
No sé cómo. No que necesito algo para.
See me? No spiders. Just chicken and rice. No spiders for me. Yeah, check out the new mustache. It's called a dirty mustache because it's made out of dirt. But we had a short ride, but a long day here at my dad's house, and hopefully next weekend we have a little special thing, and should be interesting. Hopefully I can accomplish it, and if I do, you guys gonna come along for the ride. So let's put this stuff up before it gets dark.